Hello, it's Angus here at the Bureau of Meteorology with the National Weather Forecast focusing on the 2nd of October, and your eyes may well be drawn to what's going on in the west of the country. That's certainly where the most active weather is for your Wednesday, but across the rest of the country, generally fine and quite settled. Not completely dry everywhere though, as we'll see around Queensland, where an onshore easterly flow will push a few showers to almost all areas along the coast. Somewhere between 1 and 10 millimetres is possible pretty much anywhere from Brisbane all the way up to the North Tropical Coast, although most places will be right towards the low end of that rainfall range. Also take note of a small area of thunderstorms which could develop around the central interior through the afternoon hours. Broadly speaking, across the state, temperatures near average but perhaps 1 or 2 degrees below what's expected at this time of year. Across New South Wales, a cool southeast wind flow will develop in the morning, bringing a few showers to the coast and the eastern ranges through the day. Before lunch, those showers could impact anyone, but after lunch they should become confined to the northern half of the coast, north of about Newcastle. Through interior parts of the state, a settled and dry day after a touch of early fog. We've got cold morning temperatures across Victoria that could lead to frosty or foggy conditions at first, but that will all clear up very quickly, and then it's a beautiful, settled and sunny day across the state. We'll see some slightly cool temperatures and a little bit of cloud dotted about the south, including about Melbourne. A frosty start for Tasmania too, and you might see this little H transitioning directly over the state. That is a surefire way to bring some settled and calm weather with barely a puff of wind, and after that morning frost thaws out, it will be a beautiful day across the state. High temperature of 17 for Hobart and 17 for Launceston. Northerlies are developing across South Australia on Wednesday, and that's going to push the temperatures up, and we indeed will see those maximums climb to somewhere to the mid and upper 20s across most of the state, and for many places could be the warmest day of spring so far. No real rainfall in the forecast though, a generally bright and sunny day with a little bit of late cloud. Now, Western Australia is going to bear the brunt of two distinct weather systems on Wednesday. Firstly, we've got this inland trough, which brings a wide area of showers and thunderstorms all the way from the northern interior down to the Eucla coastline. We could see some severe thunderstorms there, meaning heavy rain, damaging winds and large hail. At the same time that is firing away, we've also got a cold front crossing the southwest, moving through Perth early in the morning. That's likely to bring some chilly temperatures, some rain, some very strong, potentially damaging winds. We may see some hail and some dangerous coastal conditions too. Through the afternoon, as these weather systems slowly move eastwards, some brighter spells of weather across the southwest, but a few showers will persist all day. None of that active weather across the tropical north. It's another sunny and very warm day for the NT, particularly around the top end. Heatwave conditions are ongoing for parts of the north as we see some temperatures from the upper 30s through into the low 40s. Jumping ahead into Thursday now, that front that's moved through WA gets about halfway across South Australia during Thursday, bringing a bit of welcome rain and thunderstorms to central and western parts of the state. We'll continue to see some cold weather down in southern WA with a few showers lingering around Perth. Elsewhere, mostly sunny weather across the nation. A northerly wind across the southeast will start to pull the temperatures up. 25 in Melbourne, 21 in Hobart as the forecast maximums, and looking pretty good through New South Wales, Queensland and the Northern Territory. If you would like to see your extended range forecast, take a look at the Bureau website and app. Thanks very much for checking in.